Hi, my name is Bhavuk Chawla. I am CTO at 360 Digital Transformation. I was recently recognized by Cloudera as Cloudera Instructor of the Year 2016. In this video, we are going to see how do we install Hadoop virtual machine from Cloudera on local system. So we will be running Hadoop on the local system, and it is kind of complete Hadoop cluster which will allow you to run your programs. Like, you will be doing a lot of development on the machine without worrying about the Hadoop environment. So Cloudera is providing you pre-built Hadoop environment, so we'll be just using that Hadoop environment for our development purpose. There are certain prerequisites before we can install Hadoop cluster on the local system. So these are the prerequisites. So 8 GB RAM is required in host system. 64-bit processor is required on host system. Apart from that, this is just a virtualization support, which is a BIOS setting that needs to be enabled. So this is like third requirement. Fourth requirement is like we need to have VMware Player Workstation 8.x or higher version installed on the system. So once you meet all these requirements, then you are good to go for installing this virtual machine. So let's see how do we install this virtual machine. You need to go to Cloudera website. So when you go to Cloudera website, you need to go to this page, cloudera.com downloads quick start VM 5.8, and you need to then select the platform. So in my case, I have selected VMware Player, and if when you click on get it now, then it will start the download process. Once the virtual machine is downloaded, you need to unzip this virtual machine using 7Z software. So 7Z software is very common software. You can easily find on internet lot of links. Depending on the operating system, you can choose this 7Z software as per your local environment. So once you download this software, you need to unzip the downloaded quick start VM using this 7Z software. And once you have downloaded the zip file from Cloudera website and you have unzipped using 7Z software, then you need to go to VMware Fusion if it is Mac system. Otherwise, you need to go to VMware Workstation Player and you need to open the file. So this is the unzipped version of the zip file that we downloaded from Cloudera website. So I am just opening this file here in my VMware Player. So when I do that, then I will see screen like this. So you can do right click, settings, you can go to processors and memory, so you can increase the number of cores. So you can increase number of cores to 2 or 3 processor cores, and you can just see amount of RAM that you have given to the system. So for the time being, I am keeping it as 4 GB, but depending on your system configuration, you can increase it, but at least 4 GB we should give to guest OS. Host OS should have 8 GB at least. So this is the configuration that I am giving right now. So once I configure this, I can just go there and click on start. So once I boot this system, it will start CentOS 6.7 operating system in my Mac OS. And this CentOS 6.7 system is a pre-built Hadoop one machine Hadoop cluster, a pre-built one machine Hadoop cluster from Cloudera, and on this cluster we will be running all the exercises. So let it boot. I will just wait. Once it is booted, then I will show you some key commands that we need to execute on the terminal. Now our virtual machine is up and running. So in case you are not able to run the virtual machine, when you click here start virtual machine and you are not able to run the virtual machine, then it may be possible that you have not enabled virtualization support in your BIOS. So if it is giving some problem in booting the VM at this point, then you need to go to your BIOS and you need to enable virtualization support or VTX support in your BIOS. Once that is done, then you can come back and you can start the virtual machine. So now my virtual machine is up and running. So in this virtual machine, I will just minimize this Firefox browser. So you can see here we have terminal. So you need to click on terminal and you can type a command Hadoop version So once you do that, you can see I'm having Cloudera distribution for Hadoop 5.8 version, and this is Hadoop 2.0. This is like version of Hadoop that we are using in this session. So um, this is our Eclipse IDE. In Eclipse IDE, like we will be doing a lot of hands-on exercises related to Java, Scala. So that's why Eclipse is pre-installed. And if you want to see like which all daemons are installed on this virtual machine, you can just do like sudo space jps. So you can see which all daemons are running right now on the system. So here you will notice that some daemons are related to HDFS like data node, name node. Some daemons are related to yarn like resource manager, node manager. Some daemons are related to HBase, HBase region server, HMaster. So these daemons are already running on the system, and that's why we say that it is like pre-built Hadoop cluster. So that is it from my side in this session. Looking forward to meet you in the class.